Hi and welcome to another tutorial on Python. Today we are going to dive into hacking WhatsApp. Okay, now we are going to hack WhatsApp with 3 lines of code. Now, how are we going to make this possible? But first, let's talk about PyWordKit. Okay, now PyWordKit is a Python library that specifies the process of performing various tasks with minimal code. Now, this is what we are going to use as the magic to hack into WhatsApp. Now, what exactly can we do with PyWordKit? Now, PyWordKit automate WhatsApp message, okay? PyWordKits allow you to send message through WhatsApp automatically. You can schedule a message to be sent at a specific time, making it a handy tool for reminder or for instant bulk message. Now, I told you this is going to be interesting. So now we are going to hack into it. So let's dive into it. Now, first we need to install our PyWordKit. Okay, we need to do that in the terminal. So that's the first thing to do. After the installation, now let's get to it. Now, first thing first, we need to import our PyWordKit as kits. Okay, now let's do that. Now, secondly, we need to create a variable called message. Okay, now we are going to save the message we are going to send into it as a string. Now, the next step is to create another variable for the contact number. So which means the number we are sending that message into, the number we are hacking into. So now let's create a variable called contact underscore number is equals to, now let's put the number, okay, okay, now that's done. Now the next stage is to use our kit dot send WhatsApp message underscore instantly. Now you can schedule your message, but right now I'm sending the message instantly. Okay, now I'm sending it to my contact underscore number, which carry the number. That's the variable that carries the number, then comma. The next stage is to put the message which carries the message. So in summary, what I just did now is to use PyWordKit to send a message via WhatsApp automatically. Okay, so now let's execute it. Okay, now this will launch us to a dialog box depending on the browser you are using. So right now I'm using Opera. If you are using Chrome, it will launch it automatically and take us to WhatsApp. Okay, now this is it. As you can see, the message is clear, so which is, hey, just checking on you. So this is how you can use PyWordKit. We just hack into the WhatsApp. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and like. And also make comment if you have any question. Thank you.